My name is Chad Krueger. I'm a hip and knee reconstruction specialist who does hip and knee replacements at Rothman Orthopaedics. So I grew up in Wells, Maine, a small town in Maine. My mom was an elementary school teacher. My dad was an electrical engineer for the Navy. I also have two young kids, very supportive and fun wife. I got into hip and knee replacements because when I used to do all surgeries, I found that I gravitated more towards the hip and knee patients that I was taking care of. Those were patients who had become miserable in life because of the pain that their hips and knees were causing them, and then were super gratified when I was able to replace their hips or their knees and get them back to that quality of life that they were looking forward to. We talk to a lot of patients that don't need surgery. And sometimes, honestly, those are the hardest conversations, is someone who comes in really wanting surgery and me explaining why I don't think it's in their best interest at this time to get surgery. And that's okay, because at the end of the day, like I said, I want patients to be happy. You can always make someone different with surgery, right? But the goal is make them better and make them happy. We've really done a lot of work here. A lot of the research was done here in improving and shortening the recoveries for hip and knee replacements. Hip replacements do tend to be an easier recovery than knees, right? But that is part of the process that we can't change. We still want to help patients recover. And honestly, I think a lot of it comes down to expectations and having an understanding of what they can expect before going into the operation to make the post-operative period feel not so scary, that we're on their team. We're a part of the recovery team. If you are suffering from hip and knee arthritis, avascular necrosis, otherwise known as osteonecrosis, or otherwise suffering from a joint replacement that you think may need a revision, I'd be happy to take care of you. To book an appointment with me, Dr. Chad Krueger, please visit rothmanortho.com.